Hey guys, how's it going? This is BobbyKBikes here, and welcome to another BobbyKBikes video. Today, we're at the Milton Keynes chopper ride out, and I've met someone who's got a rather cool custom chopper, and he's very kindly let me showcase it. So without any further ado, I'm going to pan around it and tell you about its special features. Okay, so it's a Mark II chopper. Now obviously the first thing that you'll notice about it that really stands out is it's on mags, and it still has its shifter. This is a very nicely done build. This rear mag didn't come from a Raleigh Vector. It's been built specially for the bike with a Sturmey Archer hub slotted in there. And I've just noticed that it even has white brake blocks. The attention to detail is fantastic on this bike. And it's got some nice prismatic looking decals, lovely white paint job, and a white seat, white grips. The owner tells me he's used a lot of reproduction parts on this bike. In fact, the only original parts are ones that can't be reproduced. So this bike was built to show the purists to a little bit of fun and to do something different. Not everything has to stay as it came from the factory. And I think it's a lovely bike. So there we are. This has been a showcase of this beautiful white custom chopper. I really like it. It's been really nicely done. And I hope you've enjoyed the showcase, and I hope you like the bike. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.